Welcome to the Rim Brake Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You start by making sure the car and phone can talk. Check the Peugeot 208 infotainment year and software. CarPlay requires compatible firmware. Plug in a certified Lightning cable to avoid data-only failures, or get ready for wireless CarPlay by enabling both Bluetooth and Wi-Fi on your iPhone. Unlock the phone and keep it on the home screen. This lets the head unit detect CarPlay immediately. Once done, reboot the car system if it previously failed to recognize devices, because a quick restart clears temporary connection block. You now create the active link. Insert the Lightning cable into the USB port marked for smartphone use. The Peugeot system usually lists CarPlay in the media or phone menu. Tap Apple CarPlay on the touchscreen and immediately accept any permission prompts on your iPhone, granting access to contacts and notifications. For wireless setups, pair over Bluetooth first, then accept the Wi-Fi pop-up so large data streams go over Wi-Fi. Make sure Do Not Disturb, while driving is set how you prefer to control interruptions. You finish by tailoring and verifying the connection. Open iPhone Settings General CarPlay to arrange apps and set the home screen you want. This makes frequently used apps instantly accessible while driving. If CarPlay does not appear, check for a Peugeot firmware update. Dealers or a USB update can restore support. If problems persist, swap to another Apple-certified cable, reset network settings on the iPhone, or forget the vehicle and repair. These steps clear pairing corruption and usually restore a stable CarPlay link.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.